Take me to Taco Bell. Take me to Taco
I
Bell.
didn't take you nowhere. You could have ate while y'all want to ask your ass.
I asked you.
Yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, let me tell y'all what it's gonna be about. I gotta make this short, sweet, cause your boy Dylan gonna come out. So we about to go get something to eat, right? We're gonna do a little Christmas shopping, and I told him to get up. Let's go get something to eat, right? So we're gonna go through. We're gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A because that's his favorite food. Really, Taco Bell is his favorite food restaurant, but I don't like Taco Bell like that. So we're going to Chick-fil-A. That's his second favorite food place. So I'm going to order my food while he's telling me what he want. I'm going to drive on through the drive-thru. I'm going to go on to the window, pay for my motherfucking food. I'm going to pull the fuck over and I'm going to start eating, right? I ain't going to say shit to him. I'm going to act like I don't hear him. I'm going to act like he ain't even sitting there. So y'all, yeah, we're going to get his reaction before we get into this video. Make sure y'all smash that big red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn your notification bell on if you fucks with me like that. If you don't, it's fine. It's cool. Keep it scrolling. But anyway, we can get into it.
Few moments later.
All right, y'all. So I got the camera set up. I hope you don't see this. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. This about to be funny, y'all, because homeboy just told me he was hungry. Here he come.
Is you long enough?
Huh?
Is you long enough?
Took me long enough. Boy, I've been sitting out here waiting on you. Hell, you mean it took me long enough? Put your seatbelt on. Safety first, boy.
Okay, I don't see it.
Huh? Oh, what was that? Daniel, yeah.
Oh, I can't drink.
Alright, so we're gonna go to Taco Bell. Not Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A. You want Taco Bell or Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A. I don't want Taco Bell. We're just gonna go to Chick-fil-A.
The one in Clinton?
Huh?
The one in Clinton?
Yeah, the one in Clinton. Dude. Ooh. They stay so freaking busy.
I thought they stopped paying the mail. I thought you ordered about a thing though.
I don't know why they still standing outside. Is she just standing there? Come take an order, girl.
What you getting?
I don't know yet.
Go up.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good, what's the name?
Brandy.
What can I get for you?
What is y'all's chicken nugget meal?
8 count, 12 count, and 30.
All right, let me get an 8 count.
What type of drink?
Sprite.
Any sauce or condiments?
Yeah, I want the Chick-fil-A sauce, and let me add a macaroni.
Small. Okay.
That'd be it.
Alrighty, that tells me 1208. Alright, can I pull down for me just a little bit?
Okay.
What you mean that's it? Want something from here?
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Why you didn't order me nothing? Mom. Mom. Why you didn't order me nothing? Mom. Why didn't you give me nothing to eat? Ma, I told you I was hungry. You came. Ma. Can you hear me?
Stop turning off my fucking air.
Order me something to eat then. You can answer her but not me, huh? You hear her through a window. Ma. Can you order me something to eat? And go up. Alright. I'm telling him cancel your order. You must be going to Taco Bell. Mom.
Man, these lines be so damn low.
You taking me to Taco Bell? Huh?
So that was funny from last night, wasn't it?
What'd you say? 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 Mom.
He looked constipated. No, he looked constipated. He looked constipated on it.
What'd you say? I ain't hear you. What'd you say? I ain't hear you. Let me see. Mom. Oh, Mom. I'm thirsty and I'm hungry, Mom. Alright. Mom, tell me cancel your food. Can you order me something? I hope you bring your food and drop it.
What?
What if they gave you Coke? You want a Sprite, right? Look at you. I thought you were getting that food. I should tell. My friend not gonna order me nothing. Mom, not gonna order me nothing for real. I said, can I tell him cancel your food? Oh, that's your food right there. I hope you break, drop it.
Randy,
Uh-huh.
first bag of drink. Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
great weekend.
You too, thank you.
Is that Mom? Where my straw at? Where my straw?
Get out my way!
What you doing? Take me to something right there then. So, I know you're not pulling that stuff to eat. You think you finna eat in front of me? Come on. You good? Give me one. Give me one. Give me one, Mom.
That shit hot and fresh.
Hot
Hot and fresh.
Let me taste one. You ain't give me nothing to eat? My Sonic is right there. Can I get one?
Dylan, don't play with me. I asked you, did you want some? Did you
no,
say
you
no?
didn't.
Stop playing!
Order me some food right there and behind us. Oh, it's my drink then.
Quit.
Give me one. I asked you to order me something.
Stop, Dylan.
Alright, take me to Taco Bell. Take me to Taco
I
Bell.
didn't take you nowhere. You could have ate while y'all want to ask your ass.
I asked you.
Then, Dylan, I promise you better stop playing. This shit too
What?
high for you to be fucking
Give me
playing
something
with it.
then.
What?
Can you give me something? Mom, give me that. Give me that. I'm hungry too. Oh my God. I wanted that. Man, we me done. Can we go back in line? Come on, turn around. The line ain't that long.
It's a macaroni for me.
Mike, can you please give me some? I'm hungry. What the hell?
What you just say?
Now you can hear me?
What you just say?
Nothing.
What did you just
That
say?
smell good.
What did you just
I
say?
said that smell good. What? I said it smell good.
You must don't want that motherfucking tongue in your mouth. I'll show you what the
You
hell.
can hear me now, huh? Can you give me some?
Where your arm?
For what?
So when I stop the shit out of you, I ain't gotta move you.
Can you give me some?
You can't have shit. I asked you, did you want some to eat?
No, you didn't. I said I was finna say I want the same thing as that. Then you gonna say, yeah, that's it. Mom. I'm for real.
You got one more time.
See where this go? Outside. Oh, you like somebody right there. Use my.
I'm lucky somebody's right there, or you. Touch my food again.
Oh, I swear, bro.
You swear what?
Nothing. Mom, can you please go give me some food?
I'm talking about like Chick-fil-A. Yeah, it be so good now. You like macaroni, no? I asked
You
you
like
about man, what? They macaroni almost as bad as mine.
It's a lot better than yours. You can't cook. Just let me get one.
Boy, you was not even hungry. You sitting here playing. Stop playing with people's food.
I was gonna say, let me get the same thing that you got, and then you gonna drive off.
That's bullshit. I said, do you want something to eat? You said no, so you
I'm
didn't
gonna
get
go back
none.
through.
No.
We in the parking lot. Go back through.
Too late.
Has too late. The line not strong.
I mean, there's cereal at home. Stop.
Mom.
Okay, move. I'm about to go get you something to eat.
All right, come on. Turn around. Stop eating.
Not you being that hungry. It wasn't none but a crumb.
Can't eat this. I'm hungry, Mom.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, I bet you not.
And I ain't finna sit through no line. No lane.
Yeah, we want Sonic right there. Ain't no
I
line.
ain't want no damn Sonic. I don't want no Sonic.
It's not for you. Oh, that expired.
You gonna bite?
Yeah.
Stop. I'm gonna give you a bite.
Please, Mom.
Okay, stop playing with my food.
How
Let me
many you
think.
got left?
Boy, that's the top. Take your ass somewhere.
I don't want that. Let me get one of them.
What? Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
One of them. One of them. You take me home.
Take you home. I'm about to. I told you I was coming to get me something to eat.
Shit, we finna go get us something to eat.
And you said I'm not hungry. I said, okay. Huh? All that talking under your breath is gonna get you choked. I'm gonna chop your motherfucking neck. Anyways, you hungry? You hungry for real? Is that your stomach talking to me? That motherfucker say, "Rrrr."
You eating and your stomach growling.
You hungry or not?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna go through? Mom,
I just stop.
give it to me then. Alright, ma, stop playing. Give it to me.
No, stop.
Not strong.
With your weak ass. Put my shit. Dylan, I said stop fucking playing with my motherfucking
Or give me
food
something
now.
to eat.
No, I asked you, was you fucking hungry?
No,
You
you
said no,
didn't.
stop playing with my shit.
Bag empty anyway.
My fucking fries is in there.
I want some fries. No
Stop
spoon.
playing with me. You want some macaroni?
Mom, give it to me.
I'm finna give you a bite.
You just greedy.
Eat it. There's some in there.
You want this too?
Mm-hmm. I know your mouth sound like it's wet and watery.
I want that. You take me home now. We go home.
Okay. I was playing with you, but you taking it a little too far.
What?
And if you ever in your motherfucking life throw some in my lap.
Alright, can we go get the food? I don't want that.
I ain't hungry.
Yeah, I know you're not.
I'm very full. But I was just playing with you.
Playing what? Not get my food? Can we go get something now?
I was playing with you.
Oh, that play is over. Come on, can we go get something to eat?
Who the fuck is you talking to, little boy? I was playing with you.
It's not wrong.
Huh?
It's not even wrong.
It most definitely is. But
Show me.
since you got a sour ass mouth,
Show me.
right here. Since you got
It's not on.
since you got a little sorry ass, a smart ass mouth, wasting my food, boy. I ain't feeding him today. Sit up. You thought you weren't eating?
No.
You thought you weren't eating?
I knew
Huh?
it was.
Sit up. You knew you was. I ain't buying you shit.
Yeah, there's no food.
I ain't hungry. What y'all be getting from Chick-fil-A? Drop a comment. Let me know.
I ain't getting nothing.
What you get?
Nothing.
Was you mad though?
Mm-mm.
Was you hungry?
I'm not hungry.
You ain't hungry? Sounds good to me.
Sonic.
I'm full.
Sonic over there.
Sonic.
Mm-hmm.
Why you trying to act shy? Talk shit like you were doing a while ago.
I want a Coke. You back over there?
You want a Coke?
They got Coke.
I got some apple juice.
They got Coke.
I got some Sprite.
They got Coke.
Anyways, y'all. Anyways, y'all. Little boy over here hungry. Who gonna feed him? What's your cash out, bro? I'm finna go feed little homie because he need to grow a little bit. Just a little bit. Till next time.